Welcome to qnawire.
In this question we have given that the time taken by the projectile to reach from A to B is t. Then we have to find the distance AB. So first of all I am drawing the diagram for this question. So this is the inclined plane we have given with an inclination of 30 degree. This angle is given to us, that is 30 degree, and we have given a projectile and we have given that this angle is 60 degree, and this point is A and this point is B, and the projectile has a velocity along this, and this is equals to u. Now we know that let this is B dash, so we can say that the horizontal range AB dash can be written as, this is the component of velocity in this direction, that is u cos 60 degree into time taken, and this is equals to t. So from here we get this is ut by 2. Now from we can say that from triangle that is AB B dash, this triangle, we can say that cos theta can be written as, that is AB dash upon AB, or we can say that from here we have to find the distance AB, and this is equals to AB dash upon cos 30. Now put the value of AB dash here, so this is 2 ut upon 2 into root 3. So finally we can say this will comes out to be ut by root 3. So this is the answer of our given question, and we can say for that correct option is option A. Thank you.